Alright, this question is June 2017, question 5b. Here's what it says. It says the diagram below shows triangle ABC and its image A prime, B prime, C prime under a single transformation. Describe completely the transformation that maps triangle ABC to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Alright? If you look carefully, remember I told you earlier about some clues about rotation? I said to you that in a 90-degree rotation, horizontal lines are going to become vertical and vertical lines are going to become horizontal. So AB, which was horizontal, became A prime, B prime, which is what? Vertical. Do you see that? So I know I'm dealing with a 90-degree rotation. 1, 2, the direction. You're going from here in that direction. This direction is what? Is clockwise. This direction is clockwise. So here's what I'm going to say. I'm going to say that triangle ABC is mapped onto triangle A prime, B prime, C prime by a clockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the origin. Alright, now there's something called equivalent rotation. Are you listening? Now I could have given a different answer and it would have been equally correct. Instead of saying I went what? Clockwise 90, I could have said I went what? Anti-clockwise how much? 270. Clockwise 90 and anti-clockwise 270 is going to carry you back to the same what? Point. So the short way is what? I went what? This way. Talk to me now. So the thing happened. I went that way, 90 degree. 1, 2. Then we're asked to, it says the translation vector T, which is 4 minus 1. So the translation vector is T, which is what? 4 minus 1. Now, translation, when you translate a shape, you move the shape in a straight line without turning. Translation means to move in a straight line without turning. Stay with me. Now, the translation vector describes the motion. It's an oblique motion, but every oblique motion have a what? A horizontal motion and a what? Vertical motion. Horizontally, the top value describes the horizontal motion and the bottom value describes the vertical motion. If the top value is positive, I move the shape to the right. If the top value was negative, I would move the shape to the left. The bottom value, if it is positive, I would move the shape up. And if it is negative, I would move the shape down. So a translation vector of 4 minus 5 is telling me to move the shape 4 units to the right and 5 units what? Down. So let's go. Start with what? C. Start from C. I'm going to move it what? 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right. Then what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down. This is the new position of C. This would be what? C prime. Now I'm saying to you, a smart person don't have to carry them individually. Because a translation is a congruent transformation. Meaning that the object and the image are identical what? Shapes. So if this is what? If BC is what? If BC is what? 2. It means, sorry, if B prime, C prime is 2, it means what? B prime, C double prime is also what? 2. B must come here, so. This is what? B prime, B double prime. Stay with me. Stay with me. If you didn't see it that way, you can still what? Try it what? 4 units right and what? 5 units what? Down. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4 units right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down. The new position of B, that is what? B double prime. Let's go for what? A. 4 units right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the new position of A. This is A double prime. Once you have moved all 3 vertices, then all you need to do is use your ruler and draw the what? Shape. In this instance, A prime, B prime, C prime is the object, and A double prime, B double prime, C double prime is the image. 1, 2. This shape, I moved it in a straight line without turning it. 1, 2. What else? This entire shape was moved what? 4 units to the right and 5 units what? Down. And 3. The object and the image are identical shapes. The object and image are identical shapes because translation is a congruent transformation.